Hello again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery. And I'm not sure what I'm going to do, but I've got some Floetrol standing by. This is my OXO omelet turning spatula. I think I'm just going to put some paint on my canvas and see what happens. By starting so that's just a layer of black and borrow some more black. And I am probably going to want some of my blue, which I thought I got out. There we go, that'll work. Tempted by some copper. Wish I'd opened my mysterious. Maybe I can still do that. Oh, I did open it. Yay! I did not shake it. And I might want some turquoise. Now this is highly unconventional. This is just right out there crazy, because I want to experiment with all kinds of colors and methods that I don't usually use. So let's grab, if I can see it in front of me, the Folk Art Color Shifting Purple Flash. And maybe a little of that hot orchid. But I'm going to mix a little bit of the pink with that has the Anita's metallic in it. That just makes me want more Anita's white metallic. I'm thinking so there's going to be some silver coming in here in a minute. So no matter what I start like, you can't tell what's going to happen. That spot right there is calling me to green. I'm not sure that's the green I want. Maybe it is. Now the only purple I've got in there so far is that purple flash, and I'm still craving turquoise metallic, which has to be here somewhere. Although I do have some peacock, which I might like just as much, from Deco Art Americana. And I'm going to throw in some purple with that. Ooh, that was a lot more purple than I anticipated. That's okay. And I love that hot orchid, so I think I'm going to have some more of that also. And I might be almost done. So there's there's 91,000 of you guys subscribed. And if you're not subscribed, please feel free to subscribe. And if you're new, please be welcomed. I want orange. And I want to get paint that's on my spatula. I want some more gold. This is just another case of making a painting before a painting, because I'm really thinking that I'd like to put some Floetrol marks in there. And right now I have some beautiful colors on my spatula, and I refuse to waste them. So I'm going to scrape them off with my little silicone tool. And what else? It looks like my friend has shown up. So I'm almost done, which is not a bad thing. And I should tell you guys, if you shop the Amazon link, you can find my books and the OXO omelet turning spatula. It's below the link tree. The link tree is right underneath the video. I want some gold. There's just no doubt about it. And I'm going to take a chance and use my Floetrol card. And some black. I think some black, yes. Black, blue, purple, what? I've got black. And Floetrol. Yep, I'm liking those cells. And that gold. And I gotta finish up. But I gotta tell you guys I love you and thank you for being here. And there's over 1,800 videos. If you're interested in watching any of them, look for, go to my channel, go on playlists, all playlists, creative playlists, and you'll find them. And if you ever have a question for me, feel free to ask me. My paint pouring recipe is below the video. I'm not sure that last mark was a good mark, but I think I'm pretty well done at this point, just because it's not bothering me and I like it. I'm going to torch really quickly to release the bubbles caught in the paint. I'm going to tell you guys thank you for all the wonderful comments and the compliments you give me that keep my morale boosted. If you are interested in winning one of my paintings, there is a monthly drawing and you can see the prizes shown on the exhibition video on the end screen of every video in the last 20 seconds. That month's exhibition video is there and the prizes are usually first. So hopefully this will dry half as nice as it is now. Please give me a thumbs up if you like what I do. Just a little skewer work. I don't think it'll hurt anything. And I'm going to call it a day. I don't know that zooming in will help. I've got a few cells here, a few there, a few there. It doesn't have to be a lot to make me happy. I could probably be very happy and play for quite a while dragging silicone tools through things without a problem. So let me check. The community board has tomorrow's video on it, as well as you can find the Facebook groups on the link tree. Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation has tomorrow's video, and we'll also show you, it's also for students, I'm sorry, I'm distracted. My fans and Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Fans and Collectors has albums you can check out. Pinterest, Instagram, and Twitter links are also under the link tree. My email address is under the link tree, and you can contact me there for inquiries about lessons at the house in Spring Hill, Florida, or if you have the hashtag from the title of a video, you can inquire about purchasing an artwork, which is by far and away the best way that you can support the studio. If you have questions, please feel free to ask me. If I can help you with anything, please do. Share my videos, watch them longer, and watch them when notifications come out are all good ways to support the studio. If money is not involved, it's still a big help to me. So thank you guys very much. I'm sorry about the reflection on the painting. Hopefully this will dry nicely, and if it doesn't, we'll do another painting on top of it tomorrow. Bye for now. Priscilla. Oh, I have 1,800 videos. I almost forgot. So check out 18 lists of 100, and the rest are by topic and genre. And I keep looking over there to see what I'm forgetting. My paint pouring recipe is below the video. Torch to release the bubbles to caught in the paint. I use GAC 800 by Golden in all of my paint mixtures so that they will stay without cracking when they dry. Bye for now. Priscilla out.